We're so excited to be here. Mahalo, mahalo. Sit back, enjoy. Our first performance is by Kawena ʻUla. She's going to do a mele called Hopoi. And the Hopoi is a very epic story in our culture with Pele and Hi'iaka. And I just want you to watch her, listen to her. Sometimes I don't like to tell the whole story about it, because sometimes when you watch and just absorb and feel the mana on your own, you might get more out of it. But it talks about Hopoi, how Pele was always mad at Hopoi. I guess maybe she was just a special one. And because Hopoi supposedly was hana inuin with Pele's lover, Loheau. There's always a love story in our Hawaiian culture. And how come our love stories always get violent, even in our olis? But we're gonna bring out Kawena ʻUla. Mahalo nui, enjoy. Kuhai Hālau kahikina me ka ua ka iele no kumukai haʻamaina iwa me Hi'iaka me ka polaka I ka ulu vehivehi ne'e maina iwa mākuʻalo me ke alo kapu o ke āhiwahiwa ho'i e ke kapu me na ali'i e ola mākou a pahulola e ala e ai
Ina no hiaka I ka hole o Pele. Ai! Hai ko kino mea, kai ko puna. Hola. Kai
ko o kila wea kai ko o puna lapo po I ke a Pele o ke kai ula ke kai o lena e ala kai o Pele uha ue uha ue Kai ko o kila wea kai ko o puna lapo po I ke a Pele o ke kai ula ke kai o lena e ala kai o Pele uha ue Haki kuka ino, haki kakala Ka papu I o ule ua Ue hopo e polo I kai o aena A ohe ala e ola Ue ue Vela kina wea vela puna Vela I ke ahi o Pele Malama ke kanaka, malama ka lehua Malama ke ka ulu moe ia Uha ue Uha ue Uha ue Vela kina wea vela puna Vela I te ahi o Pele Malama ke kanaka, malama ka lehua Malama ke ka ulu moe ia Uha ue Uha ue ua le pua a o huna le ala. Na ona I ke alalau o ke kupu kupu. Kupua e ke aloha no hopono I kani. E ala, e ala, e ai.
Ina na hia kai ka poli o pere.
Aue. Ue. Aue. Mahalo. Mahalo Kahealani. If you can feel the pain that, I'm emotional. But you can feel the pain that generated through her mele. How Hopoi felt. How Hopoi felt when Pele ravished all her lehua groves.